In this video, I'll show you how to force restart your OnePlus Nord CE6 5G. Now, a force restart is necessary if your screen is not responding or if any presses of buttons or anything basically is not working well on your phone. So to force a restart, all you need to do is locate the side key or the power button and the volume up button, and you need to press and hold these two simultaneously until the screen goes off. And then once you feel the slight vibration and see the OnePlus logo, simply let those buttons go, and that you'll have successfully force restarted your phone. So let's do that together. Side key, volume up, press them simultaneously. It should bring up the power menu, so you need to ignore that. So keep pressing or keep holding. The screen should go dark. So wait for the screen to go dark, just like that. And once you feel the vibration, you can let go of those buttons. So I felt the vibration, and now that logo is going to appear, the OnePlus logo and the Android logo, and your phone is now going to restart normally. Now you can also press and hold until the screen goes dark, and once it goes dark, you can let go, and now you can turn on your phone as normal using the side key, and it's still going to have the same effect. So like I said, this is going to help you to fix any problems or issues that you may have had with your phone. Maybe the screen was unresponsive, or the buttons were unresponsive, or certain apps were misbehaving. This should help you fix that. So that's how to basically force restart your OnePlus Nord CE6 5G. If this was useful, leave a like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos. Until the next video, take care and God bless.